Hi everybody, it's 11:32 and 10 seconds now on January 11th. This is mini number 2 for the Spider-Man 14 graded 3.5. Over here are the 25 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 6 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 3 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get 1 single next available open spot in the main. The spots will be filled in order of availability. So here we go. Number is lucky 7. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here comes the final one, 7. Zavi DJ comes in first. Matt Maring comes in second. Tony Hull comes in third. Zavi, you get 6. Matt, you get 3. Tony, you get 1. Filled in order. Time is 11:33 and